You were on your motorcycle. You were doing everything right. You were wearing your helmet, watching your lane, riding defensively the way experienced riders do. And then another driver turned left right in front of you or cut into your lane or came out of a parking lot without looking. And now you're in a hospital bed or at home recovering from surgery. And the insurance company is already suggesting that maybe you were going just a little bit too fast. Maybe you weren't visible enough. Maybe somehow this is on you. Let me tell you something important. I'm attorney Bobby Zirkin. I've been a personal injury attorney for over 25 years and a member of the Maryland House of Delegates and the Maryland State Senate. Here in Maryland, I have seen motorcycle accident victims get blamed for crashes that they had nothing to do with, over and over again, because there's a deep bias against riders in how insurance companies evaluate these claims. That bias is dangerous in Maryland, and here's why. Maryland is one of the last states in the country to still use what's called contributory negligence. That means if the insurance company can argue that you were even 1% responsible for what happened, they can deny your entire claim, not reduce it, not adjust it, but eliminate it entirely. A left-turn driver who clearly pulled out in front of you might still walk away paying nothing if their adjuster can convince someone, a jury, that you were speeding by even a few miles an hour. This is the most important thing motorcyclists in Maryland need to understand about their legal situation. It's not the only thing, but it is really important. Here in Maryland, roughly 70 to 80 people are killed in motorcycle crashes every year, and about 1,200 or so are injured. The injuries tend to be catastrophic compared to car accidents for an obvious reason. There's no steel frame around you. An impact that would be a fender bender for a car driver can be a broken femur, a traumatic brain injury, or even worse for a motorcycle rider. We had a client who was struck by a piece of aluminum that fell off a vehicle just ahead of him on a Maryland highway. Nobody had intentionally done anything, but that falling debris hit him and the injuries were severe. We obtained $1,850,000 for our client. Not because it was easy, because we fought for the right number. They had offered next to nothing when we had first gotten started with that case. Let me walk you through what you should do right now. Number one, do not give the at-fault driver's insurance company a recorded statement. They will use anything you say to build a case against you. Number two, get medical care and follow through with all of it. Any gap in treatment will be used to suggest that your injuries just weren't that serious. Number three, preserve everything from the scene. Photos, witness contact information, the police report, any dash cam footage from other vehicles. Evidence in motorcycle cases can disappear very quickly. Number four, be very careful what you post on social media. Any photo of you looking physically active after the crash becomes an insurance exhibit. Number five, call us immediately. We know how to fight the bias. We know how to defeat contributory negligence arguments. We know how these cases need to be built from day one. If you were injured on a motorcycle here in Maryland, call Zirkin and Schmerling Personal Injury Attorneys at 410-753-4611. The consultation is absolutely free. You owe us nothing unless we win your case. Don't let them blame you for something that was not your fault. Call us today.